Hey guys, so far we have looked at different types of curved mirrors that we have, and we spoke a little bit about their diagrams, their properties, and now we are going to look at a certain mathematical aspect that comes to them. Now there are certain things that we need to keep in mind whenever we are drawing a diagram or we look at a situation with the mirror. Okay, so just to make it a little easy to understand, what I am going to do, I am going to draw the diagram of a curved mirror. I am going to take a concave mirror in this sense, F, C. Okay, now I want to take the example of one of the cases that we know. If the object is between F and C, the image is formed behind C. If you remember, this is one of the cases that we had, right? Okay, there are 5 things that you need to keep in mind when you are looking at measurements. Okay. First thing is something called as focal length. This is a word that we came across even when we were doing the experiment. So focal length is nothing but distance between P and F, right? So this is nothing but, this whole distance will be my focal length. Now this is going to be counted in centimeters, okay? And it is denoted by a small f. Okay, it is denoted by a small f and it is written in centimeters value. Now the second thing I need to keep in mind is what is object distance. Basically, how far is the object from the pole. Now, so if I start from pole all the way from here till the object, right, so that would be here to here. This whole distance is what I am going to call as object distance. Okay, object distance. So that is nothing from P to object. Now we denote that with the alphabet small u. Okay, we use a small u to denote that. So for example, if this is 10 centimeters, this can be maybe 15 centimeters or something. Okay, this is also measured in centimeters. These are nothing but distances, right? Lengths. Now, just like object distance, there is something called as image distance also, right? If P to object is object distance, then it makes sense that from P all the way to the image, that will be image distance from here up until here, right? So I'll just write this F above. This is nothing but image distance P to image, and we denote that with a small v, and it is also written in centimeters. Okay, from P to the image. Now these are the three things. Two more, one is called as object height, the other is image height. Okay, so if I look at object height or height of object, it's the same thing. Basically how tall is the object or how big is the object, right? We're going to look at it from the ends of the object, just the way we measure our height from our feet to our head, same way, right? It is denoted by small h, but with a small o written at the bottom. Okay, height of object, as simple as that. Okay, this is also written in centimeters only. Same way we have image height also. Okay, image height again in the same way, what is how big is the image. So I call it h and small I, height of image, right? This is also in centimeters. So now we have 5 different quantities that we can measure whenever an object is placed in front of a mirror, right? Focal length, object distance, image distance, object height and image height. How we do them, this is how we are going to use them, is something that we are going to come across now next. Okay.